Hi, Kaylin's got a big bucket of bubbles. Kaylin, blow your bubbles, baby. You gonna get Daddy's phone? Okay. Hey, Daddy.
That is cool how you do that.
Baby, go blow your bubbles. You want me to blow bubbles with you? Okay. Okay, we have to go dip them in your bubbles. Let's go dip them in the bubbles.
Stop filling my ass. Your fingers away.
Here, Kaylin. Look. Oops. Let's try it again. Are you ready? Oh, it's different.
Hey, Mommy. Hey,
terrible.
Daddy.
For me?
Hey, Daddy.
Okay, thank you.
I think I need to get more bubbles.
Oh, that was a big one. The first one you did was a big one.
Look at all the bubbles.
She's calling your name, Dad.
Where you going?
Let's blow some bubbles. Come on.
Dad, I'm gonna go get the thing and see if you have the batteries.
Wanna blow some bubbles?
No, you need to take it apart first to see what batteries it takes.
No? There's the instructions for it.
The instructions or the instructions?
Instructions. Even tells you what kind of batteries I ate.
Blow, baby. Kaylin, blow. Blow. Here, Mommy's got one. Blow. Blow. She's blowing the wrong end.
Kaylin, you're blowing on the wrong end.
Now her hands. Eat it. Eat it. No, she did.
She did. Hey, you're the bubble.
Go get the bubbles.
Wait, Dad. Kaylin, I'm going inside the house. I'm just kidding. Someone is coming. I'm coming right back out.
Come here.
He'll be... Kaylin, he'll be right back. Oh, this is so funny. Kaylin,
Kaylin.
are you sad?
Come play with Mommy. Come here. Let's blow bubbles. No.
Look at her face in this thing. She's so over there just pouting.
I'm back.
Be careful of that drink, Reed.
I know, I see it.
Are you happy now, Kaylin? Oh, broke new toy.
It's not broken.
She's picking her nose.
You want me to wipe your nose? Okay. You could get her a tissue.
Mommy!
Yes, baby. Here, just put it this way, okay? Like this. Ready? You blow the bubbles.
Where's mine? Doesn't this tell you what kind of batteries
Reed,
it
in a
is?
sec, okay?
Oh, that's
Bounce one right off her head.
I know.
Hi,
You got it.
Hey, Mom, my bubble.
They're your bubbles.
Hey, Mommy!
I'll be right back.
I'm a
Is her nose running?
No, it's not bad. Yeah, it is. Here, look. Oh.
Did she get one?
Time. Oh, Mommy, be right back. I gotta get you a tissue.
I got you jogging. Kaylin, say hi. Hi. Kaylin,
Hi.
say hi. Hi, Daddy.
Hey.
Say hi, Grandpa. Kaylin.
Can't say hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Papa.
Hey.
Look at me. Kaylin, say hi, Papa.
Hey. Hey, Mommy. Say hi, Papa. Say hi, Grandpa. Wait, Dad, did you say I could go see my friend's home?
He's not coming in the house.
I know, but I was going to ask if you can play with me and I can get other guns and we can play, like, Star Wars. Hey, Mommy.
Yeah, that's fine. We don't care. You are ugly.
Yeah.
You're cute, huh?
Hey, Mommy. Dad, are you going to watch me?
Yes, Reed. How do I turn this thing off? Oh, there it is.